Yeah, that's a good question. So usually I'm expecting the convergence to intrinsic value to happen over 2 or 3 years. I feel that you should be patient and give it at least that much time. It can get to convergence a lot faster. It can get there in a year, which is great. But 2 or 3 years is fine. We've held positions. I mean, Pabrai Funds has about a 15-year, almost 14 and a half year history now. Um, I think there's been a few times when we held positions for 5 years, 5 or 6 or 7 years. I think that's probably but not that often. They've happened once in a while. I mean, our position in Horsehead is about 5 years old now, for example.